Hey guys, what's up? I am back with the brand new video and it's time to unbox the new Realme 8 and guys, and this is a new mid-range phone from Realme which is costing around 40,000 PK on Pakistan market. And guys, and in this price range we have 8GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage, and this is a little brother of the Realme 8 Pro which I have right now, and you can see. So in this video we're gonna unbox the Realme 8. Now let's see that what is Realme 8 has to offer in this price range. On the back we have some more specification about the phone, and this phone has a 6.4-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display. On the back we get a 64 megapixel AI quad cameras, while the Realme 8 Pro has a 108 megapixel main camera, so that's a really huge difference. And also this is a super slim and light phone, and guys, and this phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G95 processor. Again, we have 8GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage, while the Realme 8 Pro is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor. And also we get a 30-watt dark charge, and this phone also has a 5000 mAh battery size, and that's a really huge difference between Realme 8 as well as Realme 8 Pro. Realme 8 Pro has a 4500 mAh battery size with a 50-watt super dark charge, so that's a really huge difference as well. So now let's quickly unbox the Realme 8. And first let me remove the plastic, and also the color I have is the cyber black color, and you can see, and this is the blue color, and you can see it looks really beautiful. And now let's remove the plastic first, like this. And guys, here is the box of the Realme 8. Looks very similar to the Realme 8 Pro. On the left hand side as well as on the right hand side it says Realme 8. On the bottom we have a PDA approved sticker. Open this box, and as you can see that on the top we get one more mini box. It says that, hey, welcome to the Realme family, so that's a really nice thing. Inside of this little box we get a SIM injection tool, and guys, we also have a quick start guide as well as a important information guide as well. And also we get a soft silicone case with the Realme 8 as well, which also has a gray tint. And guys, here is the device, Realme 8. So now let's out the phone from this box like this. So now let's remove the plastic as well from the back. So now let's remove this as well. And as you can see that here is the first look of the Realme 8 in the black color, and you can see it looks really beautiful. Remove this as well. And the Realme 8 also had this Dare to Leap logo as well. And guys, and here is the side-by-side comparison between the Realme 8 as well as the Realme 8 Pro, and you can see it looks exactly the same, and you can see. So now I'm gonna just put the side here, and also now let's quickly boot this phone as well. And Realme logo. Now let's see what else we get another than the phone. And guys, and the first thing we get a cable. And guys, and this is a USB Type-C to USB-A cable. We get a USB Type-C cable, and also we get a charger, and this is a 30-watt super fast charging. And you can see no headphones with the Realme 8. So now let's put all these things inside the box, and now let's look at the Realme 8. On the bottom we have a speaker, USB Type-C port, main microphone, as well as a headphone jack. On the left hand side we have a SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray, and you can see we can use one micro SD card with 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full-fledged SIM slot, so that's really nice thing as well. On the top we have a noise cancellation microphone. On the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button. And this phone has a in-display fingerprint scanner, so that's a really good thing as well. We have a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display. On the front we also have a punch hole, and the Realme 8 as well as the Realme 8 Pro looks exactly the same. Now let's quickly set up this phone up. And guys, you can see that here is the first boot of the Realme 8, and you can see. And guys, and the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that this phone has a Super AMOLED display, so everything looks really good on this phone. Although it does not get any high refresh rate display on the Realme 8 as well as on the Realme 8 Pro, and that's a really disappointing thing. So first let me go to the settings on this phone, and now let's go about phone. And you can see this phone, it is running on Android 11, so that's a very good thing as well. This phone, it is running on Android 11, and also this phone is running on Realme UI 2.0. We have 128GB of internal storage out of 112GB. It is available for you guys, and this phone also is powered by MediaTek Helio G95 which is a gaming processor. And you can see we also have a dark mode. All those things it is available on this phone. We also have a screen recording feature on this phone, and the Realme 8 also has a in-display fingerprint scanner. So now let's see the speed, and you can see, and the fingerprint scanner speed, it is also really fast on this phone, which is same as the Realme 8 Pro as well. And you can see here is the side-by-side comparison. Everything it is exactly the same on this phone. And again, we have 108 megapixel main camera, while on the Realme 8 we have a 64 megapixel main camera. So now let's see the camera UI, and you can see that, guys, on the back we have a 64 megapixel main camera. Also we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide. We also have a 2 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. On the front we have a 16 megapixel selfie camera, if I'm not wrong. And here is the camera UI of the Realme 8, and you can see, and here is the box of the Realme 8. And here is your ultra wide. We also have ultra wide. We also have video mode. In video mode we also have a ultra steady mode, ultra steady max as well. And we does not have any bokeh video mode on this phone, so that's a really disappointing thing. We also have night mode, which is also available in the ultra wide lens as well. We also have a portrait mode. We also have 64 megapixel mode. In the more section we also have a dual view video mode, and you can see in which you can record videos with the back as well as with the front camera at the same time. And guys, we also have slow motion on this phone. And guys, we also have a ultra macro mode on this phone, in which you can take very close-up shots as you can see. And guys, we also have a pro mode on this phone. And guys, we also have steady mode, in which you can take astrophotography. And guys, in the back camera maximum shoot 4K at 30 fps. And guys, we also have a full HD at 60 fps as well, which is not really available in the ultra wide lens as well. So now let's see the front camera. And guys, you can see that here is the front camera, and on the front we also have ultra steady mode as well, which give you a very good video stabilization. We also have a night mode, and you can see on the front we does not have any bokeh video mode. We also have a portrait mode in the more section, and the front camera also has a slow motion, and you can see. So overall, I have to say regarding the Realme 8, this phone has a really good Super AMOLED display. It does not have any high refresh rate display. Nice thing is that we have a MediaTek Helio G95 chipset with the 8 GB of RAM, and also the camera it is also really good on this phone. And although the back it is made up of plastic as well as the frame of this phone. That's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Realme 8. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.